What if New York City faced a disaster it was never designed to survive?
Far beneath the Atlantic Ocean, something begins to move. A sudden seismic rupture displaces billions of tons of water. At sea, the wave is invisible, but it is already unstoppable.
Warning systems detect something wrong.
New York has only minutes to react.
The city continues its routine, completely unaware.
The water suddenly retreats.
This is the final warning.
Then the wave appears.
The harbor is hit first.
Water floods the city at incredible speed.
The subway system becomes a death trap.
Anything not anchored is carried away.
Entire neighborhoods disappear beneath the water.
Power grids collapse within minutes.
Emergency services struggle to function.
Rescue becomes nearly impossible.
New York is no longer a city. It is a flood zone.
The water keeps moving. The water keeps moving.
Global markets feel the impact instantly. Structural failures continue long after impact.
When the water stops, the real damage is revealed.
Clean water becomes the next crisis.
Millions are left without homes.
Recovery will take decades.
The geography itself has changed.
This was not just a natural disaster.
It was a warning.